Hello friends, welcome to Oracle Apex Tutorials. In this video, I will explain you how the login functionality is working and how we can change the login functionality for custom authentication. Just click on page edit. This is the login page 9999. So here we can see the page properties. At the right side, there are some properties of the page we can change if we want. So in our login page, we have username field, password field, and a button, and we have a checkbox to remember username. If we go to this username, this is the page item, and here we can set the label, and here this is the placeholder. Placeholder means here we are seeing that, right? This is the placeholder. So user will enter username, password, and he will click sign in. On click of this sign in the application, we can see this is the button. If we come to the button properties, here we have button name and here we have label. Button name, this is for backend. So whatever we type in the label, it will be displayed for end user. If you scroll little bit, we have different template for the button. We can create a button with icon, we can just create a button with text or text with icon. So these are three templates currently available. If you scroll little bit down, we can see behavior of the button. In the action, we have predefined actions. The first one is submit page. This means when user click the button, the page will be submitted to the server. So for our login page, we have behavior as submit page. And here we have execute validations. If it is enabled, if we have written any validations for our fields, so those will be executed before page submit. Now I will explain you what will happen if the page is submitted before page is submitted. If you see here, we have four type of categories. The first one, it is for page details. The second one, we call it as dynamic action. The icon, it is like spark. So here we can define the dynamic action. In the future videos, we will come to know in clearly what is dynamic actions. And in the third, we have something called process. Here we can define our what the system, how the system should behavior after submit, means page is submitted by the user, and validations also we can define here, and some processes we can define. Process, it is nothing but we are telling to the server what it should do once user is clicked sign in button. And also we can define something after processing and Ajax callback. These are the types available in the process. Here we have set username cookie. So this will, once user is click remember username, this will be run and remember username for the next time when user try to access this application. Here for this process, this is the name. We can define it anything, and we have type here. This is invoke API. This is the predefined type. What it will do, it will, if you come down, its subtype PL/SQL package, and here the package is defined Apex underscore authentication. Under this package, we have a procedure called send login username cookie. If we go to the Oracle documentation, you can check for this procedure. Here we can find out the explanation about that procedure. In short, it will just remember the username when user click this remember username. After that, we have actual login functionality. You select the login process. Here also it is of type invoke API, and the same package we have used, and the procedure name is login. If you check this function, procedure, open this. Yeah, this is the login procedure. If you see login procedure, it accept username, password, so also it accept uppercase username. If we pass here yes, means true, it will convert whatever you pass as a username, it will convert it into uppercase. And this field set persistent auth, it will be helpful for remembering the user logged in user always. You can read more about this package and function from this Oracle documentation page. Now here if you see, for this API we have declared which package, which procedure, and here if you see the parameters, we have mapped parameters and form fields, means page items, to the parameters. For the p underscore username, we have mapped username. For the p underscore password, password is mapped. And set persistent auth, I think nothing is mapped, so there is no field, so we are passing it here just boolean data type. And after that we have another process, clear page cache. This is just for clearing the session state values. So this is the login procedure responsible for user application login to the user. So now I will enter username, password, it will allow me to access the application. Thank you friends. If you like this video, Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.